Papa's crazy, Riley. I'm telling you. He's crazy. Look at this. He's crazy, man. This man's ludicrous. Look how deep that is, dude. Look at that, Riley. Look at that. Told you Papa's crazy. Damn. All you hear is exhaust. He's
swimming with the quad.
Hey, you found that rock. Dude, don't hit this. Look at it. I told you, Riley. Papa's crazy. Look at him. He's crazy. Look at this. Damn, Dad, that's deep. Hey, there we go. Look at that. Look at Papa taking out the whole tree. Hey, you're floating.
Up to my knees.
That thing's floating.
He didn't even want to go through the mud today. Now he's in the river.
Come on, don't knock me off. Hey, that gets super deep. Say hi, Papa. Dude, I could feel that thing. Hey, hey, whatever's underneath there, that log that you're on right now, is underneath me. That's crazy. That's what you call. Don't bury yourself. You better put it. Nah, you're good. The water's not there. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, it's fucking right.
Hold on.